Hi, Skip here for Rockstar Sealing, the professional's choice in sealing systems. Today we're talking about bluestone, a natural stone harvested out of quarries, predominantly in the United States, in Pennsylvania, in Australia, lots of areas where it's harvested. The #1 stone in Australia for exterior hardscapes, gaining popularity indoors for accent pieces. Pennsylvania bluestone, very, very popular. What gives it its unique characteristics? #1, its color. That's why it's called blue stone. Also found in light gray to earth tones, but additionally has very unique properties. It is either a sandstone or a limestone, therefore it is compressed sand. Very dense compressed sand, but sand inherently is very porous. So therefore, proper sealing to prevent the #1 cause of water damage in all substrates is you have to stop the water. So we have, although a very dense, beautiful stone, it's also very porous. So you need a penetrating sealer that, most importantly, is not going to change the color of the stone. That's why you selected it. The proper sealer is going to prevent water not only at the surface, but reduce the amount of water intrusion into the substrate. We have that product. It's called Rockstar Bluestone Sealer, a deep penetrating sealer while providing very outstanding water and oil repellency at the surface and into the stone, in essence encapsulating all the nooks and crannies in that stone, preventing water intrusion without changing the color of the bluestone, regardless of the tone you've selected. To learn more about this product, and it is absolutely outstanding, I use this. It is a fabulous product specifically designed for bluestone. Go to rockstarsealing.com. You'll find information on the sealer and how to order it.